How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again today talking about some of the benefits for Fluorosil and why Fluorosil is better than your average store-bought probiotic. So first of all, Fluorosil is double encapsulated. So this encapsulation process is necessary to allow the probiotic to actually make it to the gut, because it can't make it through the stomach acid alive if it doesn't have this double encapsulation. So this double encapsulation is extremely important to ensure that you have live bacteria making it into the gut. Another thing is that the manufacturing process for a lot of these store-bought probiotics is very poor. If they're not already dead whenever they encapsulate these products, they actually expose them to too much heat. And then whenever they're exposed to heat during that encapsulation process, it degrades a lot of the different probiotics and the bacteria, which is going to kill them off. And it can actually have a negating effect on your health. So it can actually make your gut health even worse. And then some of the benefits of Fluorosil itself and some of the strains that we put in there. So L-Reuteri actually has the ability to make an antibiotic substance that's actually going to help fight some of the bad bacteria in the gut, which is really interesting. And then eliminating some of that bad bacteria in the gut is going to help reduce bloating, which a lot of people find is really irritating, especially around the holidays, whenever they're eating all these different foods, is that their gut is very bloated and very uncomfortable. And so this is going to help downregulate that and eliminate a lot of that bloating that happens. It's also going to help increase testicle weight, which is really interesting because the strains that we use are actually shown to help increase gonadal size. It actually helps increase the amount of liquid that is in the testicles to allow them to have greater weight, which is directly correlated to higher testosterone levels and other higher protective hormones. And so this is going to be very, let's say, advantageous in a lot of cases. So if you want to check that out, and if you want to look at some of the other benefits that we have with Fluorosil, then you can look at the link in the description, and I'll talk to you later.